What up guys, Miguel here of YugaTech, and I'm pretty sure most of you ASUS fans know of the ZenBook series. This week at Computex 2019, ASUS just announced the 2019 ZenBook series, namely the ZenBook 13, the ZenBook 14, and the ZenBook 15. One notable feature they all have in common is the ASUS Screenpad 2. The Screenpad is a secondary display that also works as a trackpad. This 5.6-inch secondary touchscreen display is aimed to be used for multitasking in your productivity workflow. Maybe you're working on your spreadsheets and you need a calculator, but you don't have any room for your calculator on your main display. You can open it up on the Screenpad. You can even mirror your phone to the Screenpad and write with your finger. The possibilities are kinda endless here for this fairly new integration. It honestly feels like a different take on Apple's MacBook Pro Touch Bar, and that's nice. I like it when manufacturers try to push for innovation in their devices. All ZenBook models feature a Nano Edge main display with a 95% screen-to-body ratio, so that's only 5% of bezels you're left with, as well as a webcam still found on the conventional spot up top. They also have a spun metal finish, which is very reminiscent of the previous ZenBook iterations, and an ergo lift hinge design, which basically puts the keyboard at a slight incline, making it subjectively more comfortable to type on for extended periods. The three models are equipped with the latest 8th generation Intel Core i7 mobile processors and can have up to 16 gigs of RAM. The key difference apart from the display sizes is that the ZenBook 13 and 14 come with NVIDIA GeForce MX250 graphics, while the ZenBook 15 is equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GPU. So, if you want to enjoy a bit more graphics-intensive games, the 15.6-inch variant will probably be your best bet. I do want to mention though that most of these laptops aren't aimed for gaming, but more for productivity work. It's also worth mentioning that only on the ZenBook 15 is where you can find two display options, which are basically 4K and Full HD. So, what do you guys think of the 2019 ASUS ZenBook series? Let us know in the comment section below. By the way, we have more Computex 2019 features coming up, so stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.